Have a good day. Ghana. I'm gonna take off. Hi lovely friends, good day. Hope you're all doing well. So today is another day starting a new vlog all together. I just dropped baby girl off at school. I am still at the school compound and I have some errands to make for my mom today. She got some order. If you don't know, please, if you live in the Columbus, Ohio area, link up. My mom is into catering, so anything you need for your baby shower, for your funeral, for your weddings, like mini programs and stuff like that, bachelorette party, baby shower, like all that, okay? And on weekends she cooks wache, TZ, you know, every weekend. So link up, follow me on my Instagram and also on her page. I'll link it up here, Maga's Cuisine. Okay, so you link up. So she gets some few orders for the weekend, so I'm going to get some stuff for her. The camera is so dark. So I'm gonna get some stuff for her, like fish. She got an order for I think it's a funeral 1-year celebration or something like that, so I have to get some fish for her. Yeah, and that will be it. I have a client at 11:30 a.m. and I have work. Guys, this week has been the longest weekend but I have not even slept. It's been errands here and there, back and forth, up and down. This adulthood, if I was told, I would still be like 15 years or maybe 14 years. It's not easy, but we got it, okay? If you're new here, guys, pardon me. My name is Christina. I am a nurse and I braid part-time. So on here, I do videos on nursing, hair and beauty, lifestyle, and I touch base on everything because your girl, you know, I'm good at trying a little bit of everything. Yeah, so if you are interested in any of this, please, you are welcome to be part of this channel by subscribing, okay? And welcome. I love you all so much for the support. Keep pushing your girl up there and I know that we will definitely get closer, okay? I am not using my car, so I don't have my car mount there. My tie is flat. I don't know what happened during the winter. It was giving me the signal, but I was like, I'm not gonna buy another tie because it's like 100 and something. I'm like, oh, I was being stingy, okay? So I kept putting in pressure. I kept putting in air, and I'm even thankful that it saved me throughout the snow because it didn't give me any problem. I am so thankful. I kept putting in some air just to keep me going. I did not want to go. I didn't want to go spend any $100 to buy any tie, okay? I was not ready. But yeah, today I woke up, it was flat. So I left it for hubby to fix it for me when he wakes up. So I'm using his car. I don't have the car mount, so I'm not gonna record while I drive. So when I get to the place, I'm gonna get the fish. I will go with you. Yeah, I think that's all about it. I hope you're all doing great. I hope you're all doing great, okay? Say hi to me in the comment section. You know, put an emoji in the comment section of how you're feeling. Let me know, okay? If you're feeling lovely, put a heart. If you're feeling bright, like put a star, like something in the comment section. You know, interact with your girl and I got you. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take off and I will see you when I get to the shop. And also, guys, do you remember the pedicure stuff I got? I'll be doing my pedicure today. Hopefully I don't forget. Right after the client, I'm gonna do that. I did not get time to go to the gym today because I had to do stuff around the house. So hopefully after the store, I'll try and do some apps, you know, a few apps at my basement and get ready for the client because it's currently 9:01, so I can make it back by 10. Yeah, I can make it back by 10. So I'll do some few hours before the client comes, and right after the clients I'm gonna do the pedicure. Yeah, all right, guys. Yeah, I'll see you later. good. So today's gonna be 104.48. Okay. Oh, sorry. Hello. Thank you. I'm just I'm vlogging. I'm a YouTuber.
YouTuber?
Mm-hmm.
What's your YouTube?
Christy.
Like
Christy, Do you want to be on the vlog? Okay guys, so I just got a subscriber.
Hello.
Okay, say hi.
Hello.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Where are you from?
Ghana.
Ghana or Mexico?
Wait, really? You have Ghanaian friends? Oh, and they taught you. That's nice. What's your name?
Bobby.
Bobby? Oh, I'm Christina. Oh my God. Guys, did you just see what happened in there? Guys, if this is what YouTube is gonna make me do, then I'm not stopping YouTube. I love it. I think I love it. I love it here. Like, oh my God. Guys, your girl is an ambivert. The sun is showing too much here. Let me put it here. Let me put you all here, up here. Let's see. Let's see. But I took the tripod. Okay, I think it's a little bit okay. Guys, your girl is an ambivert, but I'm more of an introvert than an extrovert, okay? I am more of an extrovert if I vibe with you a lot, like I really know you, you know, we vibe with the same energy and all that. But I like to, you know, be in my shell, you know. And this is something I have really been working on because there are so many things I want to do in life. So I think back in high school, I started, you know, breaking that limitation. And I am proud of myself for the extent that I have gotten to. I am not there, you know, yet, but I'm so proud of the I'm so proud of the work that I've been able to do on myself and still going high. So for me to just talk to someone, you know, so one of the store attendants was like, what is the camera for? And I was like, I am vlogging, I am a YouTuber. He said, really, give me your name. And he took my name. He checked on my name and he subscribed. Bobby, if you're watching this video, thank you so much, okay, for at least even approaching me or asking me what the camera is for, because there were some people who were staring at me. Oh my God, I can, like, guys, YouTube is making me, you know, come out of my comfort zone, and I like that. I like that. I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh God. YouTube, we are twins, okay? Okay. I'm super excited that I was able to do that, have a conversation with him. And he was like, where are you from? I said, Ghana. He said, oh, what's the saying? I'm like, oh my, these people, these American people who befriends like Ghanaians, trust me, they know what the first thing they will ask is saying. This one was like, well, what's the saying? I'm like, do you have Ghanaian friends? He said yes. And I was like, they've been teaching you, right? He said yeah, but he is working. He usually checks you out when you are done. He checks your receipt and makes sure all the items you have on your card like matches what you have on the receipt. So he was so busy. I would have had, you know, a lengthy chat with him, but I am super excited I did this. I am done and I'm heading home. Okay guys, I was able to finish. It's 9:45. Yeah, it's 9:45. So I'm heading home, do a brief workout and wait on my clients, do my pedicure, get something to eat, and then I'll get ready for work. Okay, 2024, stepping out of my comfort zone, like breaking all limits, because I am made for more. Period. 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 Okay. All right, guys, let's go. I need help. I have come to
guys, so I will be starting my pedicure. For some reason my heels get so dry and crack off. I don't even know. I keep it moisturized, but still. So I'll be using Dr.Teal's product. This is the bath soak, the body wash. I'll be using the oil as well, and the body scrub, sorry. Oh my god, this one, the shea sugar scrub, it was bomb. It smells so heavenly. I have not regretted buying all these products, guys. Get yourself some Dr.Teal, okay?
If the altar's where you meet us, take me there, take me there. If what you need is just an offering, it's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. If your glory wants to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Let it burn. Let it burn. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If the altar's where you meet us, take me there, take me there. If what you need is just an offering, it's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. If your glory wants to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. gonna burn for me to say this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What you need is just an offering. It's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. What you need is just an offering. It's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. What you need is just an offering. It's right here.